Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I am going to show you how to check your Instagram call history. Now, in order to check your Instagram call history, guys, you want to check your Instagram messages. You want to click on the home button first and foremost, then click on the message icon on the uppermost right hand side. From here, you want to open up any message, right? So I'm going to take, for example, this Christopher here. And from here, you will be able to see all those messages, right? And within that message, guys, you can scroll up and you can see if you have ever had a call with that person. So you'll be able to find that within it. And as you can see here, it is showing me that video call has started and also a missed video call. So this will show you if you've ever had those calls using Instagram. So this is a good example that shows you a history of your calls within Instagram. And this is done through each profile. So you'll have to open up each profile to see if you've ever had a call from that person. So this is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.